So if you've never heard of SolidWorks Manage, SolidWorks Manage is a PLM software which works on top of PDM Professional and provides additional data management capabilities. This is going to include the ability to track projects, have process control, real-time built-in dashboards that are fully integrated. We can have relationship-driven bill of materials, monitor workloads, have business process management. This is a very extensive, more PLM software that is available. If we were to take a look at key differentiators between PDM Pro and Manage, the top items here are all going to be utilized together. Manage is going to just utilize the built-in PDM Professional function for this. But the items underneath, the item management, the BOM management, the business process management, these are all specific to SolidWorks Manage and really allowing us to see a greater view of our data, not just from PDM, but on a more lifecycle management perspective. So we can drive bill of materials and item numbers for drawings. You can create, edit, and compare bill of materials or add associated items, files, and free text. That's not something we can do in PDM Pro. If you are looking to unify business processes across your company, SolidWorks Manage would have the ability to do that through the use of processes and automated documents. There is built-in dashboards. They are 100% integrated into Manage. And we do also have project management and user task management. We can generate Gantt charts, take a look at project timelines, milestones, see user utilization and capacity, and fully manage our projects from start to finish, not just the data. So questions to consider. Does SolidWorks Manage require a data migration from PDM Professional? No. Manage is a PLM add-on software to PDM Professional, so it works on top of PDM Pro, and it's going to utilize that PDM environment and data. So in that way, PDM Professional is a prerequisite for the Manage software. What is the real difference between an Atlas dashboard and Manage's dashboards? Part of this is understanding kind of the purpose of the Atlas dashboards. So EquivaQ's Atlas, it's an offering for dashboard capabilities when a PLM system is not available. It's there to work with PDM Pro and PDM Standard if additional PLM software is not needed. So it's there as an extension of PDM Pro and Standard. If you are actually looking at SolidWorks Manage, we would recommend utilizing their built-in dashboardings because it'll be 100% integrated and it is part of that software. Now, as far as what they can do, they're going to be very similar in function, but we would recommend going with the built-in integrated one if pursuing Manage. When do companies consider adopting SolidWorks Manage? Usually when companies need to have more product lifecycle management. Now, that goes into the second question here, which is what is the difference between lifecycle and data management? PDM data management is focused on management and revision control of files and metadata relating to those files. PLM is a higher level management, which includes overall project management, item management, business processes, and PDM can even be considered a subset of that. So you're taking a look at managing bigger processes, lifecycle processes at your company. When to consider Manage over EquivaQ software. Remember, EquivaQ is an a la carte offering of PDM add-ins. It's not a full-fledged software. It's designed to extend PDM in very niche and specific areas. The idea is that it's supposed to be filling partially the gap between PDM Professional and Manage. So it's when you need certain functions, but maybe not a whole PLM system. Manage is fully integrated PLM that works on top of PDM Professional. So it really goes back to functionality. What are you looking for? Do you just need a couple of things? Do you just need a dashboard? Because, for example, if you need just a dashboard, you don't need all of SolidWorks Manage. Could you use EquivaQ's add-ins with Manage? This is kind of an odd question, but EquivaQ's add-ins are for PDM Professional specifically. They're not really going to affect Manage, But yes, they will still function on the PDM Professional side even when Manage is installed, because it is simply just an add-in. If there is any overlapping functionality, the general recommendation is to pursue the built-in functionality of Manage over anything separate.